Do you often find that when you try to generate long texts using ChatGPT, such as for your projects or your Folktale channel, it produces only short responses? It can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to grow a new channel and need content that's more than just a couple of minutes long. However, I have a solution for you. In this video, I'll show you how to generate over 5,000 words of engaging content for free using ChatGPT. If this interests you, stay tuned, and let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to ChatGPT. If you don't have an account yet, sign up. Assuming you already have an account, we can proceed. Our first step is to train ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer. This will help us generate detailed and effective prompts for our stories. Type the following prompt into ChatGPT: "You are a professional AI prompt engineer. If I share what I want to achieve, you will provide the most professional and suitable prompt to give me the best result." ChatGPT will respond affirmatively. Now, we can give it our specific instruction. Here's the prompt you should use. I want an African folktale story prompt that generates captivating stories of at least 3,000 words per response. The story must be intriguing, suspenseful, and keep the audience engaged until the end. It must be no less than 3,000 words. Send this prompt and observe the detailed response from ChatGPT. The generated prompt will be thorough and something you likely wouldn't come up with on your own. Now, like this video so that others can benefit from this technique as well. Remember, this method isn't just for storytelling. You can train ChatGPT to generate prompts for any type of content you need. Next, copy the generated prompt and start a new chat. Paste the prompt and give specific guidelines for the story you want. For example, write an African folktale about a young man who discovered a 7-figure, make-money online academy and learned amazing digital skills at no cost. He then used these skills to make a lot of money and was grateful for subscribing to the Make Money Online Academy channel. By adding your own storyline, you ensure that the content is unique and not entirely AI generated. Send this instruction to ChatGPT and wait for it to generate the story. Once ChatGPT has finished generating the story, we need to verify that it meets our length requirement. Copy the text and paste it into a word counter tool like Word Counter. Net. Ensure that the story is at least 3,000 words. If you look at the text, it's not hitting the 3,000 word mark we need. Converting this into a video would be too short. Let me demonstrate using words-to-time.com, a tool for estimating video length based on word count. It shows this script would be under 10 minutes. That's not what we want. We're aiming for 15 to 30 minutes. So, how do we get there? We'll use ChatGPT to help us generate over 5,000 words. Here's how. First, let's copy our prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. The trick is to add a specific request to generate a longer story. For example, write a 50-chapter African folktale about a young man who discovers the 7-figure boss academy, learns valuable digital skills for free, uses them to make a fortune, and expresses gratitude for subscribing to the 7-Fig Academy channel. Each chapter should be at least 500 words. After generating some initial chapters, we'll check if it meets our word requirement. If not, we'll ask ChatGPT to continue until it does. Once we have enough text, we'll copy and paste it into a word counter to confirm the word count. If the word count is satisfactory but we need a longer video, we can ask ChatGPT to expand each chapter to 700 words or more. This will significantly increase the video duration. After generating the extended text, we'll again check the word count and calculate the estimated video length using words-to-time.com. If you prefer not to include chapter numbers and titles in your video, ChatGPT can easily remove them upon request. This method ensures we get a substantial, engaging story that meets our video length goals. Let's give it a try and see what ChatGPT creates for us. ChatGPT will now remove all of this. I hope you found the video helpful. If so, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Goodbye.